Okay, let's discuss some of the important concepts of business policy and strategic management. Now remember, whenever we talk about BPSM, business policy and strategic management, the first and the foremost concept that comes into mind is Porter's 5-force model and value chain. So please take down the first one. The first and the most important topic is Michael Porter's 5-force model and value chain. Right, value chain is very important. All the 5 forces, right, the threat of new entrants, the bargaining power of buyers, bargaining power of sellers, rivalry among the existing competitors. So all these forces are very important. So whenever you start with BPSM, always start with the most interesting model, that is Porter's 5-force model and its value chain. So ये concepts करने के बाद, then the introductory part of BPSM. Now business policy. Whenever you are going through business policy, you must especially go through the vision and mission of the company, right? That is what business policy is all about. And while you are studying strategic management, the strategic management process is very important. Strategic management process. तो केवल इंट्रोडक्शन में इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट नहीं देखना है, इंट्रोडक्शन को भी स्ट्रेटेजिकली करना है एक बार, और उसके लिए बिजनेस पॉलिसी के अंदर विजन एंड मिशन दे शुड बी पेड स्पेशल अटेंशन टू, एज वेल एज द स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस. आफ्टर दैट comes internal analysis. That's very important, along with the SWOT analysis. Now everybody has got some basic idea about SWOT analysis, that is comprising of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Remember, strengths and weaknesses are always internal, while opportunities and threats, they are always external. So internal analysis and SWOT analysis. After that, one of the most important topic, that is corporate strategy and business level strategies. Now corporate strategies, there are various grand strategies like stability strategy, retrenchment strategy, combination strategy. So you can always go through various corporate strategies, और corporate strategies करते time ही there is BCG model, Boston Consultancy Group model, where there are cash cows, stars, dogs. तो एक बार पूरा performer comprising of BCG model should always go through when studying corporate strategies and various grand strategies. और साथ ही साथ जब बिजनेस लेवल स्ट्रैटेजी पढ़ें तो उसके अंदर कॉस्ट डिफरेंशिएशन, कॉस्ट लीडरशिप, आफ्टर कॉस्ट लीडरशिप फोकस्ड कॉस्ट लीडरशिप एंड फोकस्ड कॉस्ट डिफरेंशिएशन, ये स्ट्रैटेजीज भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. बिजनेस लेवल जेनरिक स्ट्रैटेजीज, जेनरिक बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज, और कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रैटेजीज के अंदर जो सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज बताई हैं आपको, वेरियस ग्रैंड स्ट्रैटेजीज लाइक स्टेबिलिटी स्ट्रैटेजी, रिट्रेंचमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी, एक्सपेंशन स्ट्रैटेजी, और एक्सपेंशन स्ट्रैटेजी में एनसॉफ्स स्ट्रैटेजी भी ध्यान रखनी है आपको. एनसॉफ्स, ANSOFF, एनसॉफ्स स्ट्रैटेजी. So BCG model, Boston Consultancy Group, as well as ENSOF strategy must be paid special attention to while you are studying corporate strategy. और business level strategies के अंदर जो सभी business level generic strategies हैं जो आपको अभी बताई है, cost leadership, differentiation strategy, focused differentiation and focused cost leadership. तो ये strategies you should always pay attention to. और दोनों strategies corporate और business करने के बाद then you can head to types of organization, structure and control in strategic management process. Control in strategic management process. See, the whole subject, the whole concept is all about strategic management, business policy and strategic management. And strategic management is important, and equally important is the control in strategic management. Then there is one more model, that is Mintzberg model. And when you are studying Mintzberg model, then you should also study simultaneously the decision making process. So these are my suggestions for you while you are going through business policy and strategic management. I mean, one should always pay attention to all the concepts of BPSM, but these are the special ones: Porter's 5-force model and value chain. Business policy, when one is going through business policy, the vision and mission is very, very important, and so is the strategic management process. Then comes the internal analysis and SWOT analysis, corporate strategy and business level strategies, और इनमें सारे आपको भी नेम्स बताए थे, उनको भी थोड़ा सा और ध्यान से कीजिएगा. Then types of organization structure, control in strategic management process. Then there is one technical model called Mintzberg model, as well as the decision making process.